everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to mute your mic on Omegle. Open up a web browser and go to Omegle website. Type in omegle.com in the web address bar and press enter. Now, go ahead and select the video option. Check both of the boxes in the pop-up and click on confirm and continue. Now, while on a video chat, you can go ahead and click on the lock icon at the upper left, right next to your web address bar. From the pop-up, under permission for this site, click on the drop-down right next to microphone and click on block. Doing this will help you mute your microphone while using Omegle. Now, the person in the chat won't be able to hear you once you disable the option. How to find IP address on Omegle. Now let's get started with the video. To find someone's IP address on Omegle, there are many ways you can do that, but the most easiest way is to simply open up a new tab and search for Omegle IP locator extension. Perform your search and you'll be taken to this search results. Click on this first link which says Omegle IP locator and this will open up your Chrome web store. Once you find this application, click on the Add to Chrome option right next to the app in order to download the extension. Click the Add Extension button in the pop-up at the top and you'll be able to see the extension added on your web browser. Once you've done that, you can now go ahead and open up omegle.com in the same web browser. Type in www.omegle.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now from the official website, scroll down and click on the video option since you will not be able to find the IP address if you choose the text option. Once you click video, make sure to check both of the boxes in the pop-up and click on confirm and continue. As soon as you're inside the chat with the person, you'll be able to see the IP address located at the very top. That is how you can easily find the IP address of someone on Omegle. All you need to do is to add the IP locator extension on your web browser that you are opening up Omegle with.
How to video call on Omegle using mobile device. To use the video chat feature of Omegle on your mobile device is easy. First, go ahead and download the Omegle application on your iPhone or your Android, or you can also go visit the website omegle.com with the help of a web browser. Once you end up in this page, simply go ahead and add your interest so that you can find strangers you can chat with mutual interests. Once you are done, tap on the video icon. In the pop-up, select both of the boxes and make sure that they are checked. And now, tap on confirm and continue. You'll need to allow omegle.com to access the microphone and camera on your device. Simply tap allow and you'll be able to make a video call with a random stranger on Omegle using mobile device.
How to avoid bots on Omegle. If you're annoyed by Omegle bots and you'd like to do something about it, then the process is quite easy. Simply go ahead and open up a web browser. For example, I'm going to open up my Chrome web browser. In the web address bar, you can simply search for an extension that says Omegle, anti-spam and dark mode and perform your search. As soon as you end up in the next page, click on this first link which will take you to chrome.google.com. Now you can easily add this extension to your Chrome web browser. Click on Add to Chrome and in the pop-up, click on Add Extension. Once the extension has been downloaded, if you want to pin the extension at the top of your screen, you can simply click on this extension icon and click on the pin icon. And now, whenever you open up your Omegle account and go through any text chats or video chats, the extension now will help you prevent bots on Omegle.com. Avoiding these bots can be beneficial for you if you want to spend some quality time on Omegle. How to allow Omegle to use your camera. If you want to make a video chat on Omegle to random strangers, then you'll first need to allow camera access to your Omegle.com website. So, go ahead and open up a web browser first. As soon as you do that, go to the URL box and type in www.omegle.com. Press enter on your keyboard in order to end up in the official site. From the main homepage, scroll a bit down and select if you want to use a text chat or a video chat. Since we are allowing Omegle to access to our camera, let's click on the video option since the text feature does not open up your camera. Now in the pop-up, select both of the boxes, give it a check and click on confirm and continue. Now as you can see that if you've blocked or if you've not enabled access for your Omegle to use your camera, then you'll not be able to make a video chat with a stranger. So in order to allow access, simply go and click on this lock icon right next to your URL box and give it a click. From the permission for this site option, click on the camera drop down and click on allow. Soon after you allow access to your camera, now simply start your chat by clicking on new chat. And as you can see that my video is now popping up, which means I've already allowed access for Omegle to use my camera. How to retrieve Omegle chat. If you want to view previous chat logs on your Omegle.com account, then the safest way to do so is to save your chat logs every time you disconnect your chat with a stranger. Open up a web browser to get started and get to the Omegle.com website. Go ahead and type in Omegle.com into the search box and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the main official web page of Omegle, click on the text button. Check both of the boxes and start a conversation with a stranger. Since there is no direct way to retrieve your old messages from your Omegle.com account, after you disconnect from an Omegle chat, you'll be able to see the Save the Log option at the bottom. You can either get a link. In order to save your text messages, click on Get a Link and on the next page, click on Send Anyway. Now you'll be able to see that your text messages that you've made with a stranger will be displayed on the screen. From this page, click on the download link at the top and download the conversation. Click on open file and now you can simply put it in a secure folder, and whenever you want to view old conversations for Omegle, you can go ahead and open up that folder so that you can view all of the conversations that you've made with a stranger on Omegle.com. How to change your camera on Omegle. If you've installed multiple cameras on your desktop and you'd like to change your default camera you are using on Omegle, then the process is quite easy. Open up a web browser first and get to the Omegle website. In the URL box, type in www.omegle.com and press enter on your keyboard. From the official website, go ahead and select the video option since you cannot change your camera with the text option. Once you click on video, you'll be able to see this pop up. Make sure both of the boxes are checked for this confirm and continue button to pop up. Now click on confirm and continue. Now, as soon as you start connecting to a video chat, if you want to change your camera, then go and click on the camera option at the top right and click on manage. Scroll down under all permissions and click on camera option. At the very top, you'll be able to see your default camera that is being used by Omegle right now. So click on the drop down and select any other camera that you have installed on your computer. Select any other camera in order to change it, and now you can go back to Omegle. Make sure that you've allowed the camera permission access for the site. Click on the drop down right next to camera and choose allow. And as soon as you do that, you'll be able to see that you've changed your camera to something else. Now you can easily use the camera in order to make a video call on Omegle. How to know people's name on Omegle. While using Omegle, you might want to find out the person's name you are chatting with, but can we really do that? Well, the answer is no. You cannot find someone's name on Omegle that you are chatting with, but you can track their IP location, their city, region, and also their internet provider. So, if you want to find out the name of that person, you'll need to ask them yourself. Simply go ahead and open up a web browser and in the web address bar, type in omegle.com and press enter on your keyboard. Go ahead and select whether you'd like to chat with a text or a video and give it a click. Select both of the boxes in the pop-up and click on confirm and continue. And now, while in a conversation with a stranger, you can simply ask them for their name. There's a slight possibility that they might say their name right away after they start chatting with you, but in some cases, they might not. That is the only way you'll be able to find out the name of the person you are chatting with on Omegle. How to be safe on Omegle. Omegle is an online service that allows you to talk to strangers, which is used for anonymously striking up random conversations online. However, you don't want to reveal anything about your private information to the unknown stranger that you walk across on the platform. Since with Omegle, people don't have to reveal details, so it can also be a main ground for unsavory behaviors. Since the platform does not collect any kind of a detail of the users on the app, since it matches you with anonymous people, people along the way, it is your responsibility to stick to the safe side while using Omegle. So, the first thing to keep in mind is to not share any personal details to anyone. Also, do not share any social media profiles, for example, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, or any kind of a social media profiles should not be shared with the other person, since the social media profiles contain information about places you visited, who you are friends with, and other information. Also, do not visit any external links sent by the participant on the other end, since they might be trying to phish you by sending you to a page which will attempt you to inject malware into your system. Also, you should not ever agree to meet anyone in person. Also, if you ever feel uncomfortable with the person on the other end, then you can simply press the stop button at the bottom left and click on the button one more time in order to disconnect from the chat. Those were some of the tips you could use in order to be safe while using Omegle online platform. How to know people's location on Omegle. If you want to find out the location of the person you are making a video chat with on Omegle, then the process is quite easy. If you want to find out the location of someone you are chatting with on Omegle, then the first thing to do is to make sure to add an extension on a web browser. Though there are many ways you can find someone's location on Omegle, the easiest way is to go and open up a web browser first, and in the search box type in Omegle IP locator. Once you do that, press enter on your keyboard, and from the search results on the next page, click on this link that says Omegle IP locator, Chrome Web Store, Google Chrome. Once you give it a click, it will take you to the Chrome Web Store page, and the Omegle IP locator will be displayed on the screen. If you've not added the extension already, simply click on Add to Chrome option right next to the locator and click on Add extension in the pop-up at the top. Now once you've added the locator on your web browser, you can open up omegle.com. Type in omegle.com in the web address bar at the top and press enter. Now from the official page, go and click on the video option at the bottom right and check both of the boxes in the pop-up in order to confirm and continue. Give it a click. As soon as someone connects with you on Omegle, you'll be able to see their IP address, the country they're residing in, and their location right away. That is how you can easily find someone's location on Omegle with the help of an IP locator. How to unblock your camera on Omegle. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser first and make sure that you are inside your omegle.com website. Here, let's assume that you are in a video chat with someone on Omegle. When the chat is ongoing, if you blocked your camera on Omegle, then as you can see that I'm not being able to start off a new chat. So if you want to fix that, you need to unblock your camera first. To do that, to unblock your camera is easy. Go and click on the lock icon right next to the URL box at the top left and give it a click. You'll be able to see all of the permissions that has been allowed or blocked for this particular site. Go and click on the drop down right next to camera and click on allow, and once you make this change, you'll be able to unblock your camera. And if you start the new chat, let's do it right here, you'll still won't be able to start off the chat. You'll also need to unblock your mic if you've blocked it before. So let's go and click on the same option and allow access for a microphone as well. Once you make this change, let's tap on new chat. As you can see that I was able to make a video chat as soon as I changed the setting. How to delete Omegle account. Since Omegle is a free online chat website or application, it allows users to socialize with others without the need to register for the account, which means you don't need to register before you can use the service. If you're tired of using Omegle account, then remember that it does not include any of your account information on the Omegle application or the Omegle website, so you don't need to delete your account whatsoever, since there is no account to delete. All you can do is stop using Omegle if you are tired of the service, and if you've installed the Omegle application on your mobile devices, simply delete the application and never download it again. That is what you can do if you don't want to use Omegle anymore. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll see you again with another tutorial video soon. Thank you for watching.